In this video, I'm going to explain how to solve the math puzzle given in the video uploaded last week. So we have here, if A plus A plus A plus B plus B is 48 and B plus C plus C plus C is 21 and A plus B plus B plus B plus C plus C plus C is 53, what is A plus the product of B and C? So if we are going to use the guess and check method, it will take us so much time. So in here, we are going to use addition, subtraction, and multiplication in order to solve this given puzzle. So let us take a look at our given. So if we have 3A plus 2B is equal to 48. When we have also 1B or B alone plus 3C, it will give us 21. While 1A plus 3B plus 3C will give us 53. Let us add this given. So when we add 3A plus 2B, so plus the B plus the 3C, it will give us 48 plus the 21 to give us 69. So this 69 is equivalent to 3A plus the 2B plus 1B will give us the 3B plus the 3C. So in other words, 3A plus 3B plus 3C will give us 69. Now, since we know that A plus 3B plus 3C will give us 53, so we can subtract A or 1A plus 3B plus 3C is 53. So we can subtract 69 minus 53. So 3B and 3B is cancelled. 3C and 3C is also cancelled. So what is left here is 3A minus 1A, or 3 minus 1 will give us 2A is equal to 69 minus 53 is 16. So 16 is equivalent to 2A. So meaning to say, if 2A is equal to 16, the value of A is equal to 16 divided by 2 to give us 8. So meaning to say that A is equal to 8. Now, we know that 3A plus 2B is equal to 48. Since A is equal to 8, so 38 is equivalent to 24. So plus that 2B is equal to 48. So we can subtract both sides by 24. So we can cancel the 24 here minus 24 here to give us 2B is equal to 24. So 2B is equivalent to 24. So B is equal to 24 divided by 2 to give us 12. So B is 12. So we know that A is 8. The last task is for us to identify the value of C. So we know that B plus the 3C is equal to 21 and B is 12. So 12 plus 3C is equal to 21. So we can subtract both sides by 12. So we can cancel this 12 and here minus 12 to give us 3C is equal to 9, because 21 minus 12 is equal to 9. So 3C is equal to 9. So the value of C is equal to 9 divided by 3 to give us 3. Now, we can now substitute our equation. So A plus B times C. So A is 8 plus B is 12 times 3. So following the PEMDAS rule, we can have 12 times 3 to give us 36 and then plus the 8 to give us 44. So therefore, the value of A plus the product of B and C is equal to 44. So congratulations to CJ Rasul for giving the correct answer. So I hope that you have learned and enjoyed watching this video. See you again in my next video. Thank you.